Today's the day we've all been waiting for, and I couldn't be more excited. It's time to announce the 5 lucky winners who will each win Rs. 10,000 as a thank you from me for supporting and being part of my YouTube community. Now, I was amazed by the overwhelming response and the number of people that are really interested in learning about memory, speed reading, mind mapping, productivity, and more. Now, because I posted 2 of the cash prize winning videos, one in English and one in Urdu, I'm going to be selecting 3 lucky winners from the English YouTube video and the other 2 from the Urdu YouTube video. And to make it fair and transparent, I'm going to be using a third-party random comment picker tool to select the comments under each video. And I'm going to be sharing my screen recording of the process to share with all of you. So let's get started. Now remember, these 5 lucky winners have to meet the criteria of having subscribed to my channel and leaving a comment as to what they like about my channel currently and what they look forward to seeing more of. And so if any of the selected winners have not done so, I will ask the random comment picker tool to select another winner. So this is the YouTube random comment picker tool that I'm going to be using, and it's going to randomly select a comment from whichever YouTube video link that I'm going to paste here. So let's go to my channel, and I'm going to open my English YouTube video and copy the link of this video and paste it. Okay, when I press this button, it's going to randomly select a comment. Okay, it's loading. It's loaded 222 comments, and we're going to select our winner. Are you ready? Our first lucky winner is... Wow! Congratulations, Zulkarnain, for winning the Rs. 10,000 cash prize. We're going to select 3 lucky winners from this YouTube video, so let's select our second winner. Okay, our second lucky winner is Bilal Bro. Congratulations, Bilal, for being our second lucky winner. Let's go for number 3. This is our last winner from the English YouTube video. Ready? Abu Daud. Wow, congratulations, Abu, for winning this cash prize. Okay, now we're going to pick a winner from the Urdu video. We're going to select 2 winners from the Urdu video. This is our Urdu video. Please copy the link and refresh it. It's loaded the comments, and I'm going to select the last 2 lucky winners for this cash prize giveaway. Ready? Okay, since this person has not commented anything about what they like about my content, I'm going to select another winner because that was one of the criteria for entering this giveaway. So our 4th lucky winner is Asad Mahmoud. Congratulations, Asad Mahmoud, for winning this cash prize, and thank you, all of you, for supporting me and my channel. Okay, the last lucky winner. Let's find out. Vakas Nazir. Wow, awesome! Congratulations, Vakas, for being our 5th and last lucky winner for this giveaway. Congratulations to the 5 lucky winners of the Rs. 10,000 cash prize. Now, if you are the lucky winner, then I'm going to reply to your comment and ask you to send an email to the official email address that I will provide. Then you will have to respond back to me within 48 hours, verify that you are the real winner, and claim your prize. Now, if I don't hear back from you within that time, I'm going to select another winner. Thank you to everyone for sharing your wonderful comments and feedback. I appreciate all of you for participating in this giveaway, and I promise to do more giveaways in the future. So stay tuned. You might be the next winner.